Good morning, everybody, on this nice, warm, it's gonna be hot today, rainy morning. Yes, I am at Walgreens. Sorry for not doing last week's video. We were up in Minneapolis to visit family, and I was gonna do some kind of little videos here, but it was just nice to take a break from Walgreens for a complete week. Like, you guys don't realize, like, when I take a break, if I'm totally off schedule, like, when I go to Walgreens, like, I always go to Walgreens at the same time every Sunday. And then, like, sometimes the store's not open because the manager didn't show up to unlock the doors, and it totally sets me off schedule, and then I feel like I'm not, like, all in it. Like, I don't know why. And then, like, one day I went to Walgreens, or I went to Walmart in the afternoon, and it felt so weird, and, like, I just couldn't get into it. It's like I have a schedule when I go couponing, and, like, it just works out better that way. But yeah, we went to visit family up in Minneapolis. We were supposed to go to Duluth tomorrow, but we canceled our vacation, and I will be making an update video, a life video, sometime soon when I'm able to post it. So just hang in there, you guys. I got a lot of stuff to talk about, but I will talk about that when the time has come. I will be having a garage sale video. I think I have it posted for sometime this week, so you guys can see all the stuff that I did for my garage sale that I did about a month ago. So you guys can see how I priced and all that fun jazz. But yeah, Walgreens, there's not a lot of great deals this week. There's just not a lot of great deals. I've noticed a lot of repeat deals, but then they write the signage, the sale sign a little bit different. But that's okay. I'm still here to share with you guys some great deals. I did get a 20% off Walgreens brand digital coupon. So if you guys are eyeing up like certain Walgreens stuff, that is a really good digital coupon. That is a very good digital coupon for like Tylenol, all the off-brand stuff. So I'm going to definitely share with you guys on that. So let's go inside and save some money at Walgreens. So here we have the Nivea body wash. The men's are $6.99 and the women's are, I think, $7.99. Anyways, you're going to get the men's one because it is a cheaper deal. But these are $6.99 and they're buy one, get one 50% off. Now, there is a deal online that you guys can do. It says buy one, get one 50% off, plus get a $5 off coupon on 2 and a 5 off of 20 and if you use the code BATH5. Now, I added 4 to my cart on the app and it did not take off the $5 off digital coupon. When I added 6, it did take off the $5 off coupon and then the 5 off of 20. So it ends up becoming a cheaper deal in store because you have to buy 6 of them, but otherwise in store, again, it's $6.99, buy one, get one 50% off. You're going to use that 5 off of 2 digital coupon where you will pay $5.48 for 2 of these, but then you will get that $5 cash reward, and you guys can pay with Walgreens cash to get Walgreens cash, but this ends up becoming just 48 cents or 24 cents each if you guys want to do that. Otherwise, if you buy them online with those 2 digital coupons for 6 of them, it comes out to be $6.45 or $1.07 each. So an in-store deal is a better deal with this scenario because of that digital coupon not coming off when you buy 4 of them. So here we have the Tresemme. These are on sale this week, 2 for $12 or there are 2 for $14. The ones that are 2 for $12, you're going to get the 2 for $12. We currently have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that you will use. You'll end up paying just $7 for this deal, but then you will receive a $5 register reward that you can get. This ends up becoming just $2 or just $1 each. Now we do also have another Tresemme coupon, and that is for like the stylers. So these are $14, so you're going to pay a little bit more for it. And I think these come out to be like $2 each if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal, but still a pretty decent deal for some Tresemme. So I just got told I can't record in the store anymore because it's the new store manager's rules. So we will see what happens. I'm extremely pissed off right now, but I am not recording, or I'm going to still continue doing what I'm doing. So anyways, the Colgate toothpaste is on sale for $4 along with some of the toothbrushes, and then we also have the $4 off Colgate mouthwash. So these are $4. We currently have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You can use that. You will end up paying just $3 for it, but then you will receive a $3 register reward, making them both absolutely free. Now they do have ones that are $5, So if you get the $5 ones, they end up becoming $1 each. So it just depends on what you guys want to do. So here's a deal that is an okay deal. We have the Crest, like Pro Health, the Gum Detoxify. These are on sale for just $9. We currently have I gotta find the coupon. We currently have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys could use. You will end up paying just $13 for 2 of them, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta, where there is a $2 Ibotta rebate, and then I also get a $2 bonus if I purchase this also, and then you get $5 when you'll receive a $5 register reward, making them just $4 or just $2 each. So if you guys need some toothpaste, this is an okay deal considering the toothpaste is originally $10. So here we have the Arm & Hammer deal of the week, these little baby bottles, and then they have some okay bottles. These are all $1.99 this week. I know a lot of people like stocking up on this stuff, but it's $1.99 deal of the week. So here we have the Scott's toilet paper for just $5. These are buy one, get one 50% off. And then we have the paper towels, but my store is sold out of the 4-pack, but it's similar to these. But those are both just $5. They are currently on sale this week for buy one, get one 50% off. But we currently have a $1 coupon for the toilet paper, and then we also have a $1 digital coupon for the paper towels. So you could get both of them for just $5.50 or just $2.75 for each pack. So here we have the Crest toothpaste for just $3. You're going to use this $2 off digital coupon for that. Otherwise, they have these ones also, but these are $3.50, but you could use that $2 off digital coupon. But we're going to get the $3 off toothpaste, and then we're going to get the $4 charcoal toothbrush, and we also have a $2 off digital coupon. So altogether for those 2 items, you'll pay $3, but you will receive a $3 register reward, making both of these items for free. So here we have the Sweet Tart ropes in the Twisted Rainbow Punch. These ones are actually 2 for $5, and you're going to pay $5 for 2 of them. But we currently have a Ibotta rebate for 50 cents with a limit of 5, so you'll get $1 back with Ibotta. Then I have a Checkout 51 deal. Now I did this deal at Walmart the other day, so I only have one more offer to use, but you get 75 cents back for every one that you buy with a limit of 5. So here you'll get $1.50 back with Checkout 51, and then you also get 350 kicks for purchasing the product through Shopkicks, which is $1.40, and it is a limit of 3, so you'll get $2.80 back. With the Checkout 51 deal, it ends up becoming a 30-cent moneymaker. Hello everybody! So yes, I was in the store and I was in the one spot and she was watching me. And she's a new manager, which she's seen me in the store for the last couple weeks. So anyways, I go to another aisle and I'm recording and she's like, "You are not allowed to record in here." And I says, "Well, I've been filming in this store every Sunday for almost 10 years, you guys. Almost 10 years. I started couponing here when my son was born, and he is going to be 10 in September." So, you know, she's like, "Well," she's like, "the store manager says you cannot film in here." And I says, "Well, I've seen the new store manager, and she's seen me film too." And I says, "Well, every manager that has been at the store has okayed for me to record. I mean, but then this morning I show up and it's a person who I'm not familiar with as a cashier I've never seen before, so I can't like have them verify that I'm here." And so I kind of get like all worked up, and I get very emotional when I get worked up. And I'm like, "I'm sorry," but I says, "I've been doing this for almost 10 years at this store." I says, "I've never had a problem with any manager, including the store manager, the assistant managers, the managers that are on duty, the cashiers. Nobody's ever had a problem with me filming." Now, I've been questioned in the past, and I explained to them, and they're like, "Okay." So then she's following me kind of around the store, and she's watching what I'm doing. Well, then, you know, I said I have a picture to pick up, and I was nice about it, you know, and she's like, "Okay." Well, then she comes to me and she's like, "I apologize." She's like, "I thought you were like filming employees and how things go." And I says, "No." I says, "I just show people how to coupon. Like, that's all I do." She's like, "Oh, so you're not, nobody's on camera except just the couponing stuff and stuff." And I was telling her about this, and I says, "I've been at this store for years." I says, it sucks when there's like all new people. Like all the people that were here a couple months ago are all gone. Like they all left. And this morning as I was driving here, I'm like, do I want to continue shopping at this store, or do I want to go to a different store that is a 24-hour store? Which I do know I do know 2 of the night managers that work there. So I'm like, do I want to go to that store? The only thing is I haven't been to that store in forever, and it's an older store. I like the lighting in the store better. So I don't know. And then like we got to talking, and then I was telling her about all the stuff that I've seen at the store, and then stuff that, you know, employees, stuff that's happened here and there. And she's like, okay. So she's like, okay, we're good. Everything's fine. And I'm like, okay, good. I'm like, you know, I'm a very sarcastic person. I don't like confrontations. I'm not trying to cause problems. I'm just trying to help people save money, and including, you know, employees and stuff too. So we're good. I was just super upset, and, you know, everything turned out to be okay. So that's good. And then there's a new cashier, and I says, oh, are you going to be now the cashier on Sundays? He's like, no, I'm just covering for somebody. And I'm like, okay, good. I like it when I can have the same people every single week, and that's what I like, is the same people. But when it totally changes me off guard, and I feel like, and then I missed last week, I feel like totally in a different scenario. But let me share with you guys what I got. Now, the 5x7 photo, or the 8x10 photo, is for today only. It ends today. So today is Father's Day. So if you guys are fathers, happy Father's Day. We're going to go to possibly Milwaukee and go for a hike today. But, yeah, so I always share 8x10 videos or photos for you guys all the time. And they usually happen around the holidays, and now it's starting to rain again. They usually have them around the holidays, so I knew that they were going to have one for Father's Day, but I wasn't sure on the date. And then I saw that we got an email for it, that it expires today. So don't go saying, hey, you didn't give me the code. There's a video for it, all that stuff. So I just wanted to check the photo, and it's okay. We went to Minneapolis last week, and we did a group photo with my husband's family. So it was a free, easy 8x10. So I'm going to see my in-laws, and this is actually for my in-laws for next week. You guys, so I was shopping in the store, and I've always heard about these TikTok gummies. Like, these people are going crazy over these TikTok gummies. And I heard that they can't keep them in stock. And it's these gummy mangoes. And so what I actually saw is I saw these gummy bananas, and I saw these gummy burst pineapples. And I'm like, ooh, these actually look pretty good. And the banana is peelable, and so I'm like, oh, I want to try it. Well, so then I checked the app to see if they had the mangoes in stock, and the kid next to me was stocking the shelves, and I'm like, I'm just gonna see if he has the box. And I saw the box sitting right on top of it, so I'm like, hey, can you open this box for me? So he opens it. I'm like, here, I'll stock the shelf for you. So I stocked the shelf for him. So I'm gonna do a taste test for these viral gummies. It is a peelable mango. So we will see. I'm going to do a taste test for these, and hopefully I can get these posted for you guys tomorrow on Monday, because I have been posting a taste test video for every single day, every single Monday, almost for the half of the year already, you guys. I can't believe it. Now I ran out of taste tests. So, but yeah, definitely going to try those. I'm pretty excited. But anyways, let's just get down to my haul, you guys. I didn't go, like I said, it's not a hot week. I forgot to show you the deal about that digital coupon for the 30% off the Walgreens stuff. I had it, and then I just didn't show anybody that. But it is a 20% off Walgreens brand items. So if you guys are looking for some of that stuff, definitely go ahead. Here we have, I got the Sweet Tarts, the ropes. Now these are the 5 ounces. I do know that there are ones that are buy one, get one free, but I know for the Shopkick deal, you had to get the 5-ounce ones. So we got the rainbow ones. These were 2 for $5. There's a 50-cent Ibotta rebate times 2. So I ended up getting $1 back. And then I get 350 points with Shopkicks, which is $1.40 each, times 2. Sorry, you guys, it's got really loud in here. And then, oh, checkout 51, there is a 75 cents times 2. I forgot to send my receipt to checkout 51. I'm sorry if it's really loud in here. I might have to put you guys on my selfie stick so it's not echoing in the car. But anyways, if you guys did the checkout 51 deal, these come out to be a 30-cent moneymaker. Yes, and I did try the strawberry ones, and they're excellent. Yes. Okay, so I ended up getting the Colgate and the Crest. Let me get the Crest. So the toothbrush was $4 and the toothpaste was $3. You want to use a $2 off digital and a $2 off digital for that. you will end up paying just $3, but then you will receive a $3 register reward, making these both for free. And I actually really like this charcoal toothbrush. It's a nice purple. It's a nice purple. So yeah, got that. Then I also got the, I'm losing my candy. I also got the Colgate toothbrush for $3 and, or is it $4? $4, and the Colgate toothbrush or paste for $4. You're gonna use that 5 off of 2 digital coupon. You will pay $3 for this, but then you get $3 register reward. Yes, you get a $3 register reward, making these also free. So yes, and if you guys want, you could do the one deal in one transaction, use that register reward for the other transaction if you guys want to roll it. I usually kind of save mine to share it with you guys in the videos, and that's just how I do it, but everybody's different. Yes, I ended up getting the Tresemme. These were $6. 2 for $12. You're going to use that 5 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $7 for 2 of them, but you will receive a $5 register reward, making them just $2 or $1 each. And I think you get a pretty good, lot of shampoo and conditioner for the $1. And then the last deal I got was the Nivea body wash. These were $6.99 at buy one get one 50% off. You're gonna use that 5 off of 2 digital coupon. You will pay $5.48, but then you will receive $5 Walgreens cash, making them 48 cents or just 24 cents each, which is a pretty good deal. Now, like I said, I did add 4 to my cart, and the $5 off digital was not coming. 5 off of 2 digital coupon was not coming off. When I added 6, it did come off. So I don't know if you guys can get it to come off when you buy 4 of them. That's an even better deal. You just have to use the BATH5 is the code. So it's up to you guys how you want to do that deal. But yeah, that was everything that I got. My total, sorry. My total was $22.10. I did receive $11 for register rewards. I did get $5.20 points Walgreens cash. That was for the Nivea deal. And then you get, I got $1.10 for Ibotta for the sweet tarts. And then I got Shopkick. I got 720 points, which is $2.88. I forgot to add the 75 cents back for checkout 51. But without the with the 75 cents, my total, hold on you guys. My total was $1.17. $1.17, I got 10 items. It comes out to be 11 cents each, 11 or 12 cents each, which is a pretty okay deal. I'm pretty excited with the gummies that I'm excited to taste test. I hope you guys have an awesome Father's Day. If you need to take a break, definitely take a break on couponing. I'm hoping next week is a better deal, but we will see how that goes. Hopefully you guys have an awesome shopping week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.